Hey, sheet masks are really common these days, and today's video is all about how to use them and apply them properly. Hi, I'm Sue, and this is Leslie, our skincare expert. Make sure you subscribe and like this video so that you can get more tips on getting the best skin of your life. So, Leslie, walk me through this. How do we put on a sheet mask properly?
Okay, so it's actually really easy, although I know if you've never tried it before, it can seem a little bit intimidating. What you have inside a sheet mask is sort of like a face-shaped tissue fabric that could also be made from like a biocellulose or a gel material. Today we're going to be using the Saranghae sheet mask, which is made of sort of like a tissue fiber.
Okay.
And what's really nice about sheet masks is that they're incredibly fast acting. What you have is that tissue sheet soaked in a really intensive fluid that packs a lot of ingredients into your skin in a short period of time. And I should point out that whenever you use any mask, you want to make sure obviously that your face is properly cleansed before you begin. So no makeup. If you're going to exfoliate, you want to do it beforehand.
We are cheating a little bit.
So when you take the sheet out, one of my little tips is to take it out and just kind of pinch the top of the sachet so that it doesn't come out with a lot of excess fluid, and you can save that fluid to apply afterwards. Okay. And you're gonna search for the free edge, exactly.
Got it.
And unfold, yes, just like that. So you've got a little half circle, and you can see that when you unfold the circle, you're gonna have spaces for your eyes, nose, and mouth. Okay?
Got it.
Yes. Now, before placing the sheet mask, kind of hold it between your hands like this so you can see the full shape. So that way if there's any sort of weird folds or anything like that, you can kind of target them right away. And all you're gonna do is sort of lift, okay?
Yep.
And place, I like to use my nose as a guide and just place it on the face like that, kind of around your eyes. Feels sort of weird. Get it onto your forehead, yes.
Yep.
And smooth across the forehead.
Okay. Nice and cool. It feels
Yes,
great.
it's very fresh. So if there's any areas that have kind of folded on themselves, that's okay. Pull down around the mouth, just like that. Fit it over the mouth area. Don't be shy to really get in there, and if you need to,
Oh,
see?
really pull it,
Yeah, you
okay.
can give it a good pull. Don't be shy, it's not gonna break.
It sits
To really make it fit
closer
your face.
to the skin.
Exactly, yeah. And then just sort of smooth back and outwards so that you get full contact, fold it over the chin. Now, you would not want to sneak up on anybody while you are wearing this because it is a little bit scary.
Ooh.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I know sometimes, they're
Around the nose, I'm not touching quite like you are.
That's okay, because you're still getting the ingredients on there, right? And everybody's face shape is a little bit different.
Right.
So just smooth as much as you can. If you do have a facial roller, this is kind of a nice time. You can grab your facial roller and do a nice little massage with the mask on to really encourage the penetration of the ingredients. And now you can kind of just hang out and watch TV, watch a movie,
Go
chill.
get groceries?
I wouldn't get groceries,
No, okay.
but I try not to talk too much when I'm wearing one because it does encourage it to sort of move a little bit more. And usually your sheet mask will recommend that you leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now there is not really a lot of additional benefit from leaving it on much longer than that. So after the 15-20 minutes, you'll probably find that your skin has absorbed most of the nutrients anyway, and the tissue will start to dry. So you can just peel it off. And what I like to do also to keep it feeling cool is I like to store them in the fridge.
Nice.
So when you put it on, it's really icy cold and you get that sort of instant depuffing action.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Are you ready to take it off?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay, so
I have to.
I start from the chin.
Yep.
And just sort of reverse how you put it on, pulling upwards.
Wow.
Now, if your sheet mask has lots of fluid left on, you can use it on the backs of your hands. You can swipe it across your neck and chest. Like, don't let that stuff go to waste.
What a great idea.
And also check the sachet, because oftentimes you'll also have a lot of liquid left behind that you can apply as a serum. And if there's any sort of moisture left on your face, so right now you can see we're very dewy, I just sort of press the excess in.
So we're not rubbing?
No, we're not rubbing, just sort of press in the excess.
Okay.
Right? And I tend to just let that product absorb and then leave it by itself and go to sleep.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and now we're very well hydrated.
We are very well hydrated. Dewy is right.
If you want more information about skincare or how to build a skincare routine, I invite you to join me for a free webinar that I'm hosting, and you can click the link in the description box below. Give us your email address and we'll let you know about the next upcoming webinar so that you can join us for free.
Fantastic. And as well, you can join us back here every week for more great, simple skincare techniques so that you can get the best skin of your life. Until next time, take care.